So today we are in Keswick, Ontario. We're gonna show you what this ice fishing is all about. So let's get started! Today is January 30th, 2021. The ice is 1.5 inches. And I'm not exaggerating. So you know what? Just to be safe, because it's really risky. Like, we're walking through, you're falling through the water. So just to be safe, we are going to another destination. So I'm gonna bring you along with us. Here at Coldwater. Look how beautiful it is. Once again, a little bit colder here, but the ice is thicker and lots of snow. So now we're gonna walk to a spot, get set up, and go. Ice over here, ladies and gentlemen, way thicker than Simcoe, so we know we're good. No luck so far for us, but we've heard from other people that they caught a few pikes. Somebody caught a 11-inch fish. So, you know, fishing's like that. Sometimes you get a lot, sometimes you get none. Also, there was a full moon, the wolf moon, which affects fishing, so you never know what you're gonna get.